Hello everyone, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group with another weekly real estate market update. I hope you're having a fantastic week out there. Guys, you're probably hearing a lot of talk about a flattening property market, and that's very much what's happening in Australia at the moment. For the month of May, across Australia, property prices have grown by 0.3%, which is 14% year on year. More locally here in Brisbane, property gains year on year are up about 29%, which is phenomenal really when you think about it. However, last week, Brisbane only reported a gain of 0.1%, which is well down on where it was earlier this year, where week by week it was jumping by 0.5%. So definitely a flattening market. However, I don't think it's all over just yet. I think right now there's a lot to contend with. We've got the upcoming elections this weekend. We've got the wet weather that's causing a lot of delays in many aspects of our lives. We've also got the rising interest rates. There's a lot of uncertainty, and when things are uncertain, people don't typically do what they normally would do. So I think after the elections, we're going to see a slight rebound. But the fact is that there's still a lot of buyer demand out there. There's actually more buyer demand than supply, and we are seeing a bunch of new listings coming to the market locally here on the Sunshine Coast and across Australia. But the total listings are still well down on historic averages. So the buyer demand still outweighs supply. So I think that's a very good sign of perhaps a flattening market this year, but certainly not a bad market this year anyway. So for sellers out there, my advice is that don't expect your property potentially to sell within the first day it hits the market or the first week. I think it might take a little bit longer now. So be patient and have that expectation for your property as well, because it might take a little bit longer to find the right buyer for your property. In saying that, locally here, we've had a couple of great sales in the last week. One particular one went to auction last Friday. With all the wet weather we've had, we had to do a Zoom auction. And on the day, we had 5 bidders, a lot of activity there, and we end up selling on the day at auction for an incredible result for our clients there. So there was still a lot of interest. So for all properties, I think, right now, there's still buyers out there looking for those ideal properties. So don't be disheartened if you're hearing this talk of a flattening market. I think there's still got opportunities as a seller to sell for a fairly good price. The prices have grown, and I don't think they're just about to crash entirely. So guys, that's my weekly market update. I've got a lot more in the report this week, so check it out at martinuzzi.com. If there's absolutely anything we can help you with, please give me a call. MPG with you all the way. Talk soon.